What is an ad blocker? An ad blocker is an application, plugin, or browser extension that filters through your web page to block advertisements. Ad blockers can be downloaded and used on computers, smartphones, and tablets. A good ad blocker can add a layer of security to your online activity and optimize your web experience. It can allow users to block annoying ads, disable tracking, block sites known to spread malware, and more. While a web page is loading, the ad blocker looks at the site's scripts and compares them against a list of those that it was created to block. If it finds any, it blocks them. Some of these apps that replace advertising content with something else, while others just leave holes or broken links in place of the ads. Some apps are meant to get rid of all advertising on a web page, while others specifically block things that could compromise a user's privacy, like tracking codes, which provide marketers with information about visitors' activities on the page. Pros and cons of ad blockers. When I was going through this, I kind of had to take a step back because you realize that people's livelihood is connected to this. It's not just a machine that you're looking at. And I never really thought about that. So are some of the pros of ad blockers? There are no more pop-up ads and commercials on YouTube videos. You can reduce page load times. So whenever you're going from page to page, if it takes a long time to load, that's what that's referring to. Increased privacy. I don't know if any of us have ever, if any of you guys have ever been scrolling, or even I find it when I'm talking, and then all of a sudden you start getting ads for things that you were looking for on another page, and they just keep popping up and popping up. That's, a privacy issue to some people. Some people like it because then you don't have to keep searching for things. Improved battery life, and free and simple to use. Some of the cons are ad blockers take away revenues from free sites and content creators that are supported by ads, which could put lesser known websites and individuals out of business. And that's what I was talking about, where there are people connected to this. Okay. There are many ad blocker extensions and plugins available, including Adblock, which I see ads for that all the time, Adblock Plus, Popper Blocker, Stansphere, uBlock Origin, Ghostery, and AdGuard. All right, Adblock. Adblock, also known as Adblock Best Ad Blocker, is available for use of Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Adblock uses a series of filter lists to automatically block ad content coming from known ad servers and providers. Users can stick with the default block list, subscribe to additional ones, or even create their own, as well as whitelist their favorite websites. It is one of the most downloaded Chrome and Safari extensions with over 10 million users. So I think that's what we were just talking about, which one was the most popular and the best one to use. I like free. How to download the Adblock extension. You can find ad blockers compatible with your preferred web browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge, etc.